Today, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in a cell in Smartsheet. This is a really useful feature when you're dealing with lengthy content that doesn't fit neatly into a single line, making your spreadsheets much easier to read and more visually organized. First, open your browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Smartsheet homepage where all your files and workspaces are stored. Now that you're on your homepage, you'll see all your existing files displayed. Browse through and select the file you want to work with. Simply click on it to open it up. This will load your spreadsheet and allow you to start making the changes you need. Here's an important step to note. Before you can wrap text, you need to make sure you're viewing your sheet in grid view. This is the default view for most Smartsheet files, and it's where you'll have access to all the formatting tools you need. If you're not already in grid view, look for the view options at the top of your screen and switch to grid. This ensures that you can easily access the wrap text feature. Once you're in grid view, it's time to locate the cell containing the text you want to wrap. Scroll through your sheet if needed and find the specific cell. When you found it, click directly on that cell to select it. You'll notice the cell becomes highlighted, indicating that it's now active and ready for editing. Now look for the wrap icon in the toolbar. You'll find it right beside the text alignment options, typically near the top of your screen. The wrap icon is usually represented by a symbol that suggests text flowing onto multiple lines. Click on this icon to activate text wrapping for the selected cell. Once you click the wrap icon, the text in your cell will automatically adjust to fit within the cell's width, spreading across multiple lines instead of being cut off or hidden. This makes all your content visible without having to widen the column, keeping your spreadsheet clean and well organized. And there you have it. You've successfully wrapped text in a cell in Smartsheet, making your data much more readable and your spreadsheet more professional looking. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.